Is there a guaranteed method to recover blocked WhatsApp messages on iPhone?
Hello everyone, and welcome to our tutorial. Today we're going to talk about a very common question. Is there a guaranteed method to recover blocked WhatsApp messages on iPhone? While there isn't a 100% guaranteed method, there are a few ways you can try to retrieve your blocked messages.
What happens when you block someone on WhatsApp?
First, let's understand what happens when you block someone on WhatsApp. When you block a contact, you won't receive new messages, calls, status updates, or changes to the profile picture from that contact. The messages they send you will never be delivered. So, if you unblock them, you won't see any messages that were sent while they were blocked.
How can I recover blocked WhatsApp messages?
Since WhatsApp doesn't store messages on their servers, you can't recover messages directly from WhatsApp. However, if you've backed up your chats before you block the person, there's a chance you can retrieve those messages. Method 1. Restore from iCloud Backup 1. Uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp. 2. After verifying your phone number, follow the prompts to restore your chat history. 3. Keep in mind that this will only restore the messages up until the time of the last backup. Method 2. Using iPhone data recovery software, there are various third-party data recovery tools available online that claim to recover deleted or blocked messages from iPhone. While some of these tools may work, their effectiveness is not guaranteed, and they often require purchase.
What's the best way to handle blocked messages?
The best approach to handle blocked messages is proactive, not reactive. Regularly back up your WhatsApp messages to keep a record of all your chats. In case you decide to block a contact, you'll have a backup of your chats up until that point. In conclusion, there's no guaranteed way to recover blocked WhatsApp messages that were sent after the contact was blocked. You can only access blocked messages if you had a chat backup before blocking the contact. Remember, regular backups are your best friend for maintaining access to your messages. We hope this video has been helpful and thanks for watching.